हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे जो पिछले दो वीडियो था फंडामेंटल कंप्यूटर के बारे में, वो आप लोगों को कैसे लगा उसके बारे में कुछ कमेंट कीजिए ना। अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो मेरे को कमेंट कीजिए और मैं आपको और अच्छी तरह से आप लोगों को समझा दूंगा। आज फंडामेंटल ऑफ कंप्यूटर का तीसरी क्लास है। उसमें हम आज कवर करेंगे आर्किटेक्चर और द एनाटॉमी ऑफ कंप्यूटर। आर्किटेक्चर मीन्स द बेसिक पार्ट्स ऑफ योर कंप्यूटर। ये जो बेसिक पार्ट है ना, उसके बारे में इंटरव्यू में बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है और एनाटॉमी है, उसके अंदर में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे ना, कवर करेंगे सीपीयू, इनपुट यूनिट्स, आउटपुट यूनिट्स, स्टोरेज यूनिट्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंटरफेस। लेट्स स्टार्ट एनाटॉमी ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर और आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर। ला 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 Okay, first is CPU, second is input units, third is output units, fourth is storage units, fifth is the communication interface. First we describe about CPU. What is CPU? CPU is stand for Central Processing Unity. CPU stand for Central Processing Unity. It is the brain and heart of your computer. It is the brain or heart of your computer through which the user process the data. CPU compare with the brain and heart like human beings, because in human beings body the major decisions are taken by the brain. Similarly, all the major decisions are taken by the CPU in computer. CPU available CPU divided into three parts. CPU divided into three parts. One is the ALU, second is memory, third is CU. First, ALU. What is ALU? ALU stand for arithmetical and logical unity. It perform the arithmetical and logical task. Arithmetical unity perform the arithmetical task like plus, minus, into, divided. And the logical unity perform the logical task like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal. ALU divide into two parts. Here ALU divide into two parts. One is the AU, another is the LU. आया समझ में? AU में आप प्लस, माइनस, इंटू, डिवाइडेड. In logical unit we perform the task greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to. It is the logical unity. Suppose A plus B, this task is performed in AU. If you write A greater than B, this task performed in logical unity LU. Okay. Then memory. Memory is the important part of CPU. It is the temporary storage unit of your computer. The data and instruction are stored temporarily at the time of processing in memory. In CPU, memory divided into two parts. One is RAM, another is ROM. RAM is stand for random access memory. RAM is stand for random memory. ROM is stand for read only memory. In random access memory, random means it always dynamic. It is the dynamic memory. RAM is a volatile memory. When power supply off, RAM lost its contents. In computer or in mobile, RAM has the important role because the data and instruction are processed through the data and instruction are processed through the CPU by the help of RAM. It is a read and write memory. RAM is a read and write memory. The user read and write the data and instruction from RAM. In market, RAM available into different capacities like 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB. Similarly, ROM is stand for read only memory. It is a non-volatile memory. It is a non-volatile memory. When power supply off, ROM cannot lose its contents. When power supply off, ROM cannot lose its contents. The data and instruction are written in ROM at the time of manufacturing. It basically used to execute the BIOS system of computer. The BIOS system. What is BIOS? BIOS means basic input and output system of your computer. In ROM, we write the BIOS system through which we execute or active all the input and output device of our computer. This is the RAM and ROM. There are difference between RAM and ROM. In interview, there are question, ask different question is what is the difference between RAM and ROM. It the बेसिक फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन के अंदर में जाता है. रैम के रोम के बारे में डिफरेंस को आपको इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाता है. उसके बारे में डिफरेंस के बारे में मैं अगले वीडियो में, उसके बाद एक वीडियो आएगा उसके बारे में रैम और रोम के बारे में मैं उसमें और डिस्क्राइब करूंगा. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे सीयू. सीयू का मतलब कंट्रोल यूनिट. इन सीपीयू कंट्रोल यूनिट हैज द इंपोर्टेंट पार्ट थ्रू व्हिच द डाटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन आर कंट्रोल. We control the data and instruction through the control unit. This is all about the CPU. Then another part of the anatomy or architecture of computer, input units. Another part is the input units. Input units means the data and instruction are entered into the computer through the input units. We enter the data and instruction through the different input units like keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, etc. Input device divided by available into three categories. One is the character input units through which we enter the character. Another is the pointing input device through which we point on the specific location and click to execute the task. Then another is the direct input units through which we enter the data and instruction directly into the computer. उसके बाद जो वीडियो बनाऊंगा मैं इनपुट यूनिट के बारे में स्पेशल बनाऊंगा, उसके बारे में डिस्क्राइबली हमको आप लोगों को बताऊंगा. उसके बाद आउटपुट यूनिट्स. आउटपुट यूनिट्स द डाटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर प्रोसेस्ड थ्रू द सीपीयू and then display the information through the output device. There are different output devices are available in our computer to produce the output. These are like monitor, printer, speaker, etc. We produce the output into two ways. One is the soft copy, another is the hard copy. Soft copy means when we produce the output on the screen, is the temporary readable form of the output known as soft copy. For example, when we display the output on the monitor, that is known as soft copy. And another is hard copy. Hard copy is the permanent readable form of your output. One is the for example, it produces the output on the paper. For example, we use the printer to produce the output on the paper. That copy is known as hard copy. That is the output. मैं छोटे छोटे करके इससे एनाटॉमी बताऊंगा, उसके बाद मैं इस सब को एक एक करके डिस्क्राइब करूंगा. उसके बाद है स्टोरेज यूनिट्स. द डाटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन आर स्टोर इन द स्टोरेज यूनिट्स. इन कंप्यूटर we use two type of storage unit. One is the primary storage unit, another the secondary storage unit. Primary storage unit के अंदर में क्या आ जाएगा? Primary storage unit also known as main memory और semiconductor memory because it is made of semiconductor chips. Primary memory के अंदर की कैटेगरी में जाएगा RAM, ROM, cache memory, virtual memory, buffer. These all are the category of a primary memory. Then another the secondary memory or secondary storage device, also known as secondary storage device. In the secondary storage device or in the secondary memory, we store the data and information permanently. We use hard disks, floppy disks, pen drive, memory chip as the secondary storage device. Similarly, last part of our anatomy of computer, the communication interface. By using the communication interface, we transfer the message or information from one computer to another computer. Internet is the part of communication interface. When we connect the internet with our computer, that computer provide to share the information from one location to another location. So, internet is one part of communication interface. So, the user share the information from the source to destination. Okay. This is all about the anatomy or the architecture of computer. First is the CPU, second is the input units, third is the output units, fourth is the storage unit and fifth is the communication interface. कैसे लग रहा है आपको ये क्लास? अगर क्लास में कुछ दिक्कत हो रहा है, आप समझ नहीं पाते, कुछ भी टर्म नहीं समझ पाते, तो मेरे को कमेंट करना. हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए. ओके.